This is a particularly dangerous situation.
My WTS Django.
The news.
My foot!
Okay.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 415, effective until 5 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Christian, Effingham, Fayette, Moultrie, and Shelby. Montgomery, Morgan, and Sangamon. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, and information. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs. Locations impacted include Hannibal, Bowling Green, Pittsfield, Vandalia, Louisiana, Barrie, New London, Pleasant Hill, Perry, Atlas, Eolia, Center, Clarksville, Frankfort, Pike, Curryville, Pittsburgh, Torrance, Bellevue, and Independence. This includes Interstate 72 between exits 4 and 35. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Menard County, Scott County, southern Fulton County, western Sangamon County, Cass County, Schuyler County, Mason County, Morgan County, until 12:15 p.m. At 11:28 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles southwest of Astoria to near Clarksville, moving east at 80 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Astoria and Browning around 11:35 a.m. At around 11. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. 11:35 a.m. At around 11:40 a.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Kilburn and Easton. There's 43 and 86.
Jesus Christ.
The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Calhoun County, Greene County, southeastern Pike County, western Macoupin County, Jersey County, northern Lincoln County, Missouri, southeastern Pike County, Missouri, until 12:30 p.m. At 11:37 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles southeast of Griggsville to near Bellevue to near Eolia, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Ellsbury around 11:45 a.m., Olton, Woodhouse, and Harding around 11:50 a.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Jerseyville, Greenfield, Athensville, Old Keene, Grafton, Kemper, Palmyra, Brighton, and Shipman. This also includes Marquette State Park and Beaver Dam State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Peoria County until 12:30 p.m. At 11:45 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near McQuonset near Canton to 6 miles southeast of St. David, moving east at 65 miles. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Glassford and Trevoli around 11:50 a.m. Manitou and Brimfield around 11:55 a.m. Martinville, Hannah City, and South Pekin around noon. Peoria, Pekin, Morton, Creve Coeur, Marquette Heights, Bellevue, Dunlap, and Green Valley around 12:05 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include West Peoria, Tremont, Delavan, East Peoria, Washington, Germantown Hills, Mackinac, Hopedale, Deer Creek, Spring Bay, Bayview Gardens, Metamora, Minear, Goodfield, Armington, and Eureka. This includes the following highways: Interstate 155 between mile markers 12 and 31. Interstate 474 between mile markers 0 and 14. Interstate 74 between mile markers 70 and 112.
Well, hello there, Chaos MOX 46.
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Menard County, Logan County, Christian County.
That is a lot of counties. Holy hell.
Southeastern Tazewell County, Southeastern Mason County, Macon County, Southeastern Morgan County, until 1 p.m.
Nah, man.
At 12:09 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from San Jose to near Waverly, moving east at 70 miles per hour.
Jesus Christ.
Includes 70 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by emergency management. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near San Jose and Emden around 12:15 p.m. Hartsburg around 12:20.
Half of the south.
Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by emergency management. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Mile marker 0 and 11. Interstate 55 between mile markers 77 and 100.
Okay.
46.
Okay, this is weird.
0 and 11. Interstate 55 between mile markers 77 and 141. Interstate 72 between mile markers 77 and 146. Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Menard County, Logan County, Christian County, The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for Central Sangamon County until 12:30 p.m. At 12:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Loami, or 9 miles west of Springfield, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and half-dollar size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Chatham around 12:20 p.m. Springfield around 12:25 p.m. Rochester around 12:30 p.m. This includes the following highways: Interstate 55 between mile markers 89 and 99. Interstate 72 between mile markers 85 and 108. The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Vaughan County, northern Madison County, Macoupin County, Montgomery County, until 1 p.m. At 12:15 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Burton to near Kemper to near Grafton, moving east at 75 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Alton, Godfrey, DeSalto, Litchfield, Hillsborough, Carlinville, Staunton, Verdon, Gillespie, Nokomis, Brighton, Girard, Mount Olive, Bunker Hill, Benilde, Worden.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Okay. What the fuck? Oh god, that's not good. That's not good. Oh no.
Damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows,
respiratory irritation.
Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Mechanicsburg and Cornland around 12:25 p.m. Heliopolis around 12. Between mile markers 108 and 123. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a
Let me
tornado warning
sit!
for southwestern Christian County, south central Sangamon County until 12:45 p.m. At 12:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Chatham, 7 miles south of Springfield, moving east at 75 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Container, Edinburgh, Opie and Geneseo around 12:30 p.m. Taylorville around 12:35 p.m. This includes Interstate 55 between mile markers 83 and 91. County, northwestern DeWitt County, eastern Tazewell County, McLean County, northeastern Peoria County, until 1:15 p.m. At 12:24 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located.
Oh guys, do it again, do it again. 3675 being wiki.
The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes. Severe thunderstorms will be near Carlock and Seco around 12:30 p.m. Stanford around 12:35 p.m. Normal, El Paso, Roanoke, Hudson, and McLean around 12:40 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Bloomington, Towanda, Hayward, Nanook, Lexington, Chenoa, Downs, Cooksville, Leroy, and Colfax. This includes the following highways: Interstate 155 between mile markers 10 and 22. Interstate 39 between mile markers 0 and 31. Interstate 55 between mile markers 142 and 187. Interstate 74 between mile markers 106 and 155.
Holy shit, you're finally activated! Nice job, V1.
Christian County, 1 p.m. 12:31 p.m. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Geneseville, or 7 miles west of Taylorville, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and half-dollar-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Taylorville around 12:35 p.m. Pima and around 5 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and half-dollar-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Clinton, Hayworth, and Wappell around 12:45 p.m. This includes Interstate 55 between mile markers 139 and 141. Severe thunderstorm warning for Vaughn County, Northern Marion County, Fayette County, South County, until 1:45 p.m. At 12:52, the storms were located along a line extending from Panaticoffin to Alhambra, moving at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: 12:41 p.m. Broadcast media reported estimated wind gusts of 60 miles per hour in Litchfield, Illinois. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Lawrenceburg around 12:55 p.m. Greenville, Ramsey, and Woburn around 1 p.m. Vandalia and Mulberry Grove around 1:05 p.m. Wright Quarter around 1 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Brown, Chickamauga, Chauvin, Toccoa, Chimney, Farina, and Salem. Includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Illinois between exits 41 and 76. Interstate 57 in Illinois between exits 127 and 135. This also includes Ramsey Lake State Park.